Are you looking to share the responsibility of managing your Facebook page? Hi, I'm Jenny from Online Help Guide, and today in this tutorial I'll show you how to add an admin to your Facebook page. First, go to your Facebook page. First, you need to be an admin to add another admin. Now tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Tap on Professional Dashboard. Tap on Add New beside People with Facebook Access. Now tap on Next. Now search the name of the person you want to add as an admin. Tap on the sliding button of Allow this person to have full control. Now tap on Give Access. Enter your password of your Facebook page. And that's how you add admin to Facebook page. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.